Hi, I'm David, and welcome to my channel, A Talk About. I just wanted to show you what I like to put in a mug. I love hot apple cider, and I also really love the Redwall Series by Brian Jacques. And so I figured, why not show you how to make hot apple cider by using the Redwall Cookbook. It's called Mossflower Mulled Cider inside here. And it's a simple and easy recipe. And I'll provide a link if you'd like to buy it in the description below. If you are a fan of Redwall, or just remember reading it years ago, you'll recall how the author really could describe food and drink. And so you'll want to try out these recipes in real life. The items you'll need to make this are a mug, of course, a jug of cider, a bag of sugar, cloves, cinnamon sticks, allspice, a lemon, and a pot to put it all in. So first, grab your jug of apple cider, and you'll need, it calls for 2 cups. I'm going to be a little more generous than that, but this is what 2 cups would be. 1, 2. I'm gonna put a little more in again, like I said. So here's another, and a little bit more, like that. Now you'll need your sugar. You'll need, let's see, 3 tablespoons worth. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Now you're going to need your allspice. It calls for just a pinch of it, so pour some here into a bit, something like that. A cinnamon stick. You just need 1 of these. Yes. Put that in. Then you'll need 4 cloves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, you'll just have to turn the stove on to a medium. Right about a medium. Now you'll just want to stir the sugar until it dissolves. Like this. And now you're just going to wait until it comes to a boil. Then it'll be ready. Alright, it's about at a boil right now, so I'm going to take it off. Turn off the stove. And just let it sit here cool for a few minutes. Now that it has cooled, I'm going to take this off. And I get my mug. And I'm going to fill it up. That smells good. Nice and good. There we go. Now you're just going to want to grab that lemon and slice it up like this. Nice wedge like that. And then put it on the end of your mug. It's pretty simple, and now I'm just going to enjoy it. Oh, that's good. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Thanks for watching.